So many people need your help. Yes, your help. Things that come easy to you don't come easy to everybody else. Hey, welcome to my channel. I am JR Mr. Eagle Vision, and I help kingdom content creators who are in the beginning stages show up and start being everything that God has called them to be. Okay, you're on this channel because you know that God has called you, but you don't know where to start. You don't know what to do, and you just need a little bit of encouragement. You just need a little bit of, okay, what I do, what I do now on social media. You said I can turn this into something. Yes, you can. But the first thing you have to do, you have to know what God has called you to do. And so in these beginning videos, we've been talking about mindset. And do you believe that this can happen for you? Do you believe that you can make money online? Do you believe that you can get brand deals? Do you believe that you can get clients? Do you believe that you are needed in this space? Do you believe that people need you? Once you work on that mindset and those beliefs, then you need to see and make sure you know exactly what your niche is. And we learned that your niche is exactly who you say you are and who your audience is that you want to attract. So I want to attract kingdom creatives who know that God has called them beginning in these beginning stages. So you may have already been singing, you may have already been acting and doing things, but you don't know how to show up on social media. And so I want to show you how to show up on social media. I just want to get on also just to let you know that if God gave you a vision, you have to run with it. Somebody needs you. Okay, somebody needs your training. Somebody needs what it is that you have to offer. So please, please, please don't be afraid to release it. The time is now. It's no better time than now. This video didn't come across your page for no reason. Look, I'm sitting outside in my car and I'm like, look, I gotta go talk to my people because somebody out there needs to know that somebody needs their voice. Somebody needs to know that somebody needs your message. Somebody needs to know your recipes. Somebody needs to know how you do what it is that you do because other people are wanting to get into that industry. Other people are wanting to know how you do what you do, but you too scared to tell them. Okay, and don't think about it as if you're giving away your secrets. No, you're training people. So once you are training in that area, you can get paid in that area. Okay, you ain't giving it away for nothing. So look, I want you to get your mind right. Get your mind right. Commit to God. Yes, God, I'm going to do this. Yes, God, I'm going to show up. Yes, God, I'm going to post content. I'm going to get out of my fear. I'm going to grow online. I'm going to build my platform. I'm going to build the people that need what I have. And I'm going to do it now. I'm going to do it now. So just wanted to get on just to remind you somebody needs your voice. I can't say that enough. Somebody needs your story. Somebody needs how you stayed in the fight and how you didn't quit and how you didn't give up even when the going got tough and the tough got going. Okay, even all that when life, as we say, life was life, and you still kept going and you still kept pressing. So somebody needs to hear that. I don't know what it is that you do. I don't know who you train or who you want to train and or what area you want to go in this, but I'm here to help you. Again, we have been talking about mindset, we've been talking about niche, and soon we'll be talking about creating our first lead magnet. But I want you to get your mind right first. Let me know in the comments, JR, my mind right. I'm getting there. I believe it can happen for me. I've been reciting the prayer of Jabez. I know my territory is about to be enlarged. So if your territory is about to be enlarged, guess what, y'all? Y'all have to be ready for the blessing that's going to come. Okay. You have to be ready for the blessing that's going to come. So get your mind right. Find out who you are. And soon, very soon, we'll be creating our first product together. It'll be a lead magnet. And that's basically going to be the free item that you give to your said audience so that they can join your community and be connected with you. We create lead magnets so that if something was to happen with any of these platforms we're posting on, we'll have our audience's email address and we'll be able to stay connected with them. All right. I'm Mr. Eagle Vision. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things. I definitely need you to comment and share and all that because when you do that, that just lets me know that somebody is out there who needs my voice. And I'm pretty sure it's you. I'm believing God for my audience, so I'm sure it's you. If you have any questions about anything I said, maybe mindset, if you have any questions about your niche, let me know, or just stick around for the ride because, like I said, we will be creating something together really soon. All right, I'm Mr. Eagle Vision. Turn on your notifications. We go live and we post content daily, and you should be doing the same real soon. All right, peace.